Yo guys, welcome back to another um market recap PM session. Um so this is today's price action. We had these highs and these lows. High swept, came to sell side, went to buy side, and consolidated there, and then we came down to this fair value gap, right? And also an hourly fair value gap. And then this run up, we will analyze. Okay. So going to the 1 minute, I'll quickly put on my paint. Okay. Don't don't get a jump scare. Okay. So if we go back to 5 minutes, so this 5 minute inversion, this 5 minute there, respected. This is that 5 minutes that I marked out in the previous video that I shorted on to the south side right there. Okay, okay, we still good. Okay, cool. So let's go into the 1 minutes. So we respected it, came all the way down, consolidated in the lower half. We tapped that 5 minutes, and then in the 5 minute is a hourly fair value gap, well, a busy. I think is no, yeah, busy. Then we inverted, during the day, and then we came back up, and now we use it as a reclaimed fair value gap. There's inversion, respected here. Look how they left it at 3:30, so 3 p.m. basically 3 p.m. Half past 3. Um, this is now the last 30 minutes of trading, so you can expect some run on liquidity. Retrace into what we did in the PM session, right? Okay, so you can enter there. There's another entry on the 7 a.m. first displacement leg, right? Okay, closed up. You can even enter when it touches the back there. Okay, and run up through that 5 minutes, and then a reclaim of that inversion fair value gap on the 5 minutes. It didn't touch it, it just inversed on the 5 minute and then came back to touch that again. That fair value gap again. Look how they use that for these buy side. Right there. Okay. So that is a good last 30 minutes of markets of trading. The last 30 minutes of trading. That's a macro used by ICT. And this fair value gap also took all these highs. So that's also a good fair value gap. Relative equal highs there, right? And there. Fair value gap. Good fair value gap. Okay. Let me show you guys the executions. What fill was that? That's an ass fill actually. I think I didn't have a limit order, and it is only updating every 5 seconds. So as it touched it, I did enter, but then it most likely came back and stuff. Same with here. As it entered, I bought. Guy. Stop loss was, I think it was here, yeah. Right there. The low of that. And take profit is at this inversion fair value gap. Check how they use that fair value gap again. This is just a very bullish price action to get to these clear highs, right? Basically a market maker buy model, right? First consolidation, second consolidation. This is the bottom basically, where we traded into a higher time frame PD array, right? And then time aspect, time last 30 minutes of trading, running up, using all the left side fair value gaps. There, use it there, right? This inversion, use it there, here, check out the use it. They consolidated in this one, these two, time distortion, there. Look how they use this again, this one, and then targeting here. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that. So a quick one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Much love. PM session, very good run. See you guys then. Cheers.